Hello everybody, welcome to my progress update for my YouTube channel. Let's take a look at December 2020. Here are the stats. It went down dramatically since the past month. In November, I got nearly 61,000 views, and in December, only 52,000, so almost 9,000 views less. Let's take a look at the earnings. Big drop as well. In November, 837, and now in December, $583, almost $250 less within 1 month. So that's very odd, since everything's been increasing slightly, and then all of a sudden a big drop. I'm still not sure why. Okay, let's take a look at the whole year's analytics from the last 365 days to the end of December 31st, 2020. 800,000 views, made total of $8,000. Let's take a look at the top videos since the last year. My most popular video only got about 2,770 views about cPanel web hosting, and other videos are similar. Another one with domain and add-on domain, which is also relating to web hosting, and more cPanel, some Instagram. Okay, here is my channel reach stats. 6.7 million impressions. So my video showed up in the search results at YouTube. That's a big number. Click-through rate 7.4%, and the total views 800,000. The traffic sources, the majority is from YouTube search, and external sources is pretty big chunk, 21%. Okay, let's go down. So here's the external traffic source, the 21%. The majority came from Google search, and I've made several videos on how I do my keyword research, how I use the tags, and how I generate tags. If you want to learn more, you can see my other videos. I'll leave a link down below. Okay, let's take a look at what people are searching for from YouTube. So it's kind of random. I make a bunch of videos. So my number one is Vindel research and these other keywords. My number one suggested video is how to fix deceptive site warning. Okay, let's take a look at engagement. 27,000 hours and almost 2-minute average view durations. Okay, next, audience. Got a big jump in subscribers, 94% increase. And watch time from subscribers, only 3%. Top geographies, India, seen a big jump in Indian viewers since the last year. It used to be United States as the number one, but now it's India and other Asian countries taking the top 5 spots. Over here, the majority male viewers, average age 25 to 34. Now let's look at the yearly revenue right here, $8,000, CPM, and the page rate per milli right there. So this is when the coronavirus effect hit right here and people start staying home, and so I got a pretty good jump on views and earnings. And now towards the end of the year, everything's gone downhill. I don't know if this applies to everybody else, but for my channel, it's going down. Now let's take a look at the Google AdSense, and let's make a comparison. Here's inside of my Google AdSense, and here's an alert that AdSense will no longer show YouTube analytics inside of Google AdSense right here. So I'm not sure when they're gonna remove this option, but for now at least I can show you guys this. So from the entire year of 2020 right here, this is a crazy number, 132,000 clicks, and according to Google AdSense, I made $10,750 in revenue. Over at YouTube Analytics, it's showing 8,000. Okay, let's take a look at how much YouTube made. So YouTube made $14,540, and out of that, they give me $8,000, and that is why YouTube is so rich. Okay guys, thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. How to Webmaster. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.